Hi, I'm Larry Janeski, and I want to tell you about the company that I founded in 1987 that I'm so proud of today, Connecticut Basement Systems. I decided we didn't want to be like most contractors. We wanted to be exceptional and give customers the results and service they deserve and expect. Over 35 years of experience, improvement, team development, and reinvestment has given birth to what really is perhaps the most amazing home repair company in New England.
It's like nothing you've ever seen.
In 2017, we took on a highly ambitious project. We built a huge facility for our company that would be designed for our team to operate most efficiently, serve customers to high standards, and be a place where our employees would call home. On the first floor, 48 garage doors, supply facilities for our custom products, cafeteria, meeting room, locker rooms, and warehouse managers. On the second floor, production managers, scheduling, appointment center, project managers, sales, marketing, and accounting. On the third floor, complete training facilities, including our Invictus Theater, where all 250 of our employees could get together at one time, and breakout training rooms to train our teams. General Manager Ross Manuzza leads our 250 employee team.
I'm proud to lead this team of great people. Many have been here so long, they rarely make mistakes. They're passionate about the job, they care about the customer, and they have mental ownership not only of the process, but of the company as well.
Our vision is a world with healthy, safe, and efficient homes. Our mission is to be the contractor of choice by giving consistently great service to all our customers and each other. Our values are integrity, leadership, growth, innovation, and education.
We provide basement waterproofing.
We fix nasty crawl spaces.
We finish basements from basement to beautiful.
All things basementy.
We fix settling foundations.
We fix foundation walls that are cracked or bowing.
We fix leaking wall cracks.
We prevent mold and reduce odors.
We reduce high humidity.
We make houses more comfortable and energy efficient.
We save energy and reduce the cost of home ownership.
We prevent mold and reduce odors.
Insulation and air sealing. We provide clean air for families.
We fix mold in attics and stop what's causing it.
We haul away junk from anywhere on your property.
Our sister companies, Brown Roofing and Klaus Larson Roofing, provide roofing and gutters. One of the things I'm most proud of is how long so many people have been here. It's like we've grown up together. There's a high level of trust and expertise on our team, and everyone works well together.
It's all about our team, and these are the people that we're sending to customers' homes.
My favorite part of the job is that people can count on us. We're going to do the right thing.
The reason why I love working here is the continuing training. And not only do I enjoy receiving the training, but I also love providing it.
The thing I love about working here are the people. My team, everyone out in the other departments. It's just the relationship, building it with the other teams. I love the people. The people definitely make the difference.
I've been here 8 years.
11 years.
18 years.
21 years.
I've been here 30 years.
Our office is open 8 to 5 weekdays to take customer calls, and we can be reached 24/7 for emergencies.
Scheduling anything is critical. We have to be super organized to make sure we have the right people at the right place at the right time, just when we told our customers we would.
Production is the core. That's what our customers hire us for. From the minute the guys get out of their truck to the time they get back in, it's what they do and the results they provide for the customer. That's what it's about.
I've been here 5 years.
10 years.
15 years.
24 years.
I've been here almost 30 years.
Many of our products are custom, specially designed, exclusive, and patented. So we have a supply chain to make sure our teams never run out of materials, and we make that happen.
Keeping our trucks and equipment well maintained and safe is important to us.
Training is a big part of our culture here, and we take employees off the road weekly to train weekly because it's very important.
Nobody comes here knowing what we do. We are very specialized.
Larry's been the innovator in our businesses for decades. He's completely transformed the industry not only in our area, but across the United States and Canada.
He's always thinking about how we can do things better for our customers, and all the approaches we use are grounded in the science and physics behind them.
So we give intensive training to all our employees.
We have videos, audiobooks, apps, courses, and live training.
When someone makes a mistake, we talk about it, we learn from it. We ask how we can avoid this in the future. That's how we get better.
Today, we don't make too many mistakes.
We're all committed to what we're doing here.
to each other and the customer.
There's no home repair company like us.
I've been here 8 years.
10 years.
13 years.
22 years.
I've been here 26 years.
We never want anyone to say, you said it would work, and it didn't. If it's not right, we make it right.
We have over 90,000 customers in Connecticut and New York. And when we work in a house, we are there for the customer forever.
We have a full-time service department. If a customer needs us for any reason, we're there.
We provide annual maintenance to make sure we deliver on our promises.
It's wonderful to come to work every day, and it's a real privilege to work with all of these great people.
Thank you for taking a look at our team, Connecticut Basement Systems. We look forward to providing our services to your home soon.